I have 6 sisters, which means that Thanksgiving is a massive event, tons of people at the table. And whenever we all get together, what happens is that we're all sitting and waiting for the perfect sides and side dishes passed around to the holiday table. But this year, we don't have to do that because we are gonna make little mini personal sized sides in this giant GoodCook pan. The idea here is simple. We're gonna use this jumbo-sized muffin tin and make 3 different sides, classic sides that everyone loves, sweet potatoes, mashed potatoes, and stuffing, except they're gonna be in the muffin size. So all you have to do is pop them out, pass them around, and everybody has everything that they need for Thanksgiving, like that. Starting off sweet, we are going to make some maple, marshmallow, sweet potatoes, and I like to start these with canned sweet potatoes. It just shortcuts this process and makes it so easy. Add eggs, maple syrup, and softened butter. Then mash this until it is combined. Then fold in with marshmallow whip. I think that marshmallow whip is so much better than little tiny marshmallows on top. We can mix it right into the sweet potatoes so you get that added little kiss of sweet potato, plus you get that extra toasty marshmallow up top. It is a win-win. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my pan with a little bit of nonstick baking spray. I like this because it has flour in it, and so it really makes sure that none of the food that we're gonna bake sticks to the pan at all. Fill 8 of the 24 muffin cups with the sweet potato mix. Our next side is a holiday classic, a sausage, cranberry, and cornbread stuffing. To start this recipe, you'll want to brown some Italian sausage with chopped celery and dried cranberries. Transfer that mixture to a bowl and then add a package of cornbread stuffing. Add broth and an egg. Mix together. Go ahead and fill the next 8 molds with the stuffing. Last but certainly not least, Parmesan rosemary mashed potatoes are the perfect way to round out your Thanksgiving offerings. Start with boiled potatoes, add egg, Parmesan cheese, garlic puree, heavy cream. This is definitely the secret to creamy, delicious mashed potatoes, and a pinch of salt. And we're gonna add some fresh minced rosemary. To do this, I'm gonna go ahead and pull the rosemary leaves on the back of the stem. We're going to make chopping these herbs so easy because the GoodCook herb mincer does it in a snap. So in order to use this, all I'm going to do is roll it over the top of my herbs until they are exactly as minced as I want them to be. And mash it together with the GoodCook potato masher. Fill your last 8 molds with the mashed potato mix, and voila, you are ready to bake. Bake at 350 degrees in a preheated oven. And our sides are ready. You throw this on the table with the turkey, and guess what? All of the cooking is done for you, and the nice thing is all of the dishing up is done too. Spoon these babies out, put them on everybody's plate, and have an absolutely delicious holiday. So easy, personal sized, and fantastic. I'm gonna call in the family, and we're about to celebrate too.